Hello guys, welcome to you all on my channel. Today I'm presenting a video on Leo's monthly reading for the month of August 2020. Due to some reason I was not making any videos for you and there is a delay in making videos from my side. So from now I will be continuously creating videos for you guys. So all I need is your support, your love and your affection as we are family. So I'm expecting this from my family. Sorry, I was doing uh, Leo's reading in my previous videos. So now today I'll be doing Sagittarius monthly reading. So to Sagittarius, this is your monthly reading. First I'll be reading your person's energy, then I'll be reading your energy, then overall energy of you and that person in this connection. So let's get started. So what is your energy? This video will be short and I'll be doing it fast because you guys don't like, I guess, watching long duration videos. So I'll be making it very short. So Gemini, sorry, not Gemini. Maybe you are dealing with a Gemini. That is why this word came on my mouth. So Sagittarius, I guess you are dealing with an earth sign, or your person is an earth sign. um, he or she wants earlier he or she was not stable in this connection. Now stable, he or she wants stability in this relationship, or he or she wants to provide you stability in this relationship. Maybe you are dealing with a Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn, and that person was not stable in this relationship earlier. Maybe he was in and out in your life, and maybe he was not providing you any sort of commitment, but now he or she will provide you stability. This is a card of Queen of Pentacles. This person will definitely provide you stability, and this person is planning and thinking a lot about you these days. Maybe this person wants to come towards you. Maybe you are in no contact situation, and maybe you are in long distance relationship from different caste, culture, background, and from different cities, town, village. And even if you are in different, even if you are in same state, definitely you guys travel towards each other for meeting each other. This person is planning a lot, thinking a lot, and maybe he or she wants to take action towards you because he or she is thinking for providing stability to you in this relationship now. That is why he or she thinking and planning a lot. Or maybe there is a, maybe he or she is waiting for some sort of a result or some sort of a progress. Suppose this person is maybe preparing for some exam, or maybe he or she is thinking for any sort of promotion or for starting any new business, and that is why he or she is planning, and then only he or she will provide you stability. This can also be the possibility in this relationship. What I'm saying is that this person is planning and thinking a lot about this relationship, and this person is waiting for something to happen, some event to occur, or some event to happen. Then only will provide you stability. He or she will see all the qualities in you. You are very nurturing, caring and loving, and you are very stable person. All the He or she is feeling all these seeing all these qualities in you, because Queen of Cups represents cups represent love, and love and there is a queen holding a cup. Maybe you are dealing with same gender sex, or if you are from different sex, different gender sex, then definitely he or she sees you as Queen of Cups. You are very nurturing, loving, caring. Maybe you are more giving more in this relationship instead of that person giving you, and he or she is now feeling very loved. Or it is also a possibility that you are dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Scorpio and Gemini, and Libra or Gemini, or Aquarius, especially Libra, sorry, especially Gemini. So definitely this person is feeling having very romantic feelings for you. He or she is very passionate about you, as devil is a card of passion. Definitely he or she is very passionate about you, and he or she is also having a very love feelings for you. He or she now wants stability in this relationship. Earlier in this relationship, he or she was in a hangman situation. They are very stubborn, I guess. They were very stubborn in this relationship earlier, but now he or she wants commitment in this relationship, and he or she is feeling very having very loving energy. Very his cup of love is filled with love. His cup of love is filled with love for you, and he or she is feeling very passionate about you. Maybe he or she is not taking any action towards you because he or she is planning for something, he or she is waiting for something, he or she is waiting for some event to happen, then only he or she will take initiative towards you. Definitely guys, in this relationship communication is coming. He or she will text you, contact you, message you if you guys are in no contact situation. And it is also a possibility that maybe this person has cut you down in the past, but now he or she wants new beginning in this relationship, because ace means new beginning, and ace of swords means there is a communication coming in this relationship. Definitely you guys will start communicating each other, or he or she will meet you in person, or will communicate to you through text, call, or any sort of message. Let's see what other tarot cards are saying about this relationship, this person's energy towards you. Okay, so but he or she is feeling that you are a privileged person. Maybe you are from a rich family background. You are on high post. You are from a very good family. You are very beautiful, and you are having lots of privileges. Maybe you are from very high and very good society, and you are from upper caste. That is why he or she is feeling feeling that you are a privileged person, and maybe your community is higher than his community, and your community people are not ready for this relationship. Sorry, their community persons are not ready for this relationship. Sorry, I am reading their energy. So definitely he or she maybe sees you as you are a privileged person, and your community is not allowing him or you to be together. Or it is also a possibility that this person is very privileged, on very good post, on very from very high background, high-fi background, or from on a very high post, and their communities will not allow you to come together. That is why this person is in tension. This person is feeling anxiety now. Maybe this person is not sleeping at night, but as you guys are twin flame and soulmate, lover represents soulmate. Definitely you guys have a past life connection, or maybe you guys see repetitive numbers. Maybe it is also a possibility that if you're not seeing any repetitive numbers, or you're not together in past life, definitely this person, you and this person are telepathically connected with each other. You can feel his energy, or he or she will feel your energy. And maybe this person is trying to be on good post or on honorable post, so that your community will allow both of you to be together. Maybe you guys met while he is traveling towards you, or you travel towards him, or maybe you met each other while traveling, or during the journey, during any sort of journey, or maybe you are planning to move towards his city, or he is planning to move towards your city. That is also a possibility that he or she will come to see you, because communication is coming, new beginning is coming. It is also a possibility that he or she will come into your city if you guys are in a long distance relationship, and then only he'll meet you. Or it is also a possibility that you plan to go in, or move into his city, or maybe in the past you guys met each other while during any sort of journey, or while traveling. Or maybe he is in a profession where traveling is involved. He traveled a lot for his business. Maybe he's a salesperson, maybe he's a pilot, maybe he's a engineer, sorry, that not driver. Or maybe he's in a business where traveling is involved. He used to travel a lot. He is actually traveled a lot for his business. So right now this person is in despair, having lots of anxiety, tension, because he or she wants, he or she also wants stability in this relationship. He or she also wants to offer his or her cup of love to you, but you are a privileged person in this relationship, or he is a privileged person in this relationship, and community will not allow both of you to be together. That is why he is in despair. Uh, Let me tell you one more thing. For you, maybe for you guys, 12, 32, 39, 22, 15 and 10 is important. Maybe you guys met on these dates, or you guys having birthday on these dates, or maybe you having anniversary of this relationship on these dates. And Maybe you are seeing 12 a lot, or maybe you guys having the birthday on 12th or 15th, maybe, or 25 or 3. So this is your person's energy, Gemini. Sorry, why I'm saying Gemini again and again. Maybe you guys are, maybe some of you are Gemini, or you are dealing with a Gemini. So guys, Sagittarius, this is your energy. This is your person's energy. Now let me check your energy in this relationship. What do you want in this relationship? You actually spy his or her social media. You miss that person a lot, and earlier you were feeling very defeated in this relationship. You lost all your hopes, and you were feeling very regret, and you are feeling defeated in this relationship, that nothing will happen in this relationship. He will not provide me any sort of commitment. He is very selfish person, or he only thinks about himself. Why is not taking any action? These kind of energy you were having in the past, and you were continuously spying his social media, his or her social media, as you think that this person is a destined connection, this relationship is a destined connection, or he or she is your counterpart, he or she is your soulmate twin flame. And now you want abundance with this person. Sun card represents abundance. You want abundance, you want happiness, you want marriage, you want commitment, you want this person or to take this relationship to a next level. Maybe it is a possibility that you both of you are on high post, and that is why you guys having ego clashes. Maybe it is a possibility that you are very stubborn, or he is very stubborn, and that is why he's not taking any action towards you, because he's having ego issues. Maybe you guys had fight in the past, or maybe you guys had argument in the past, and that is why he is acting like a stubborn person, or you are acting like a stubborn person, and you are not talking to each other, and you are not taking any action towards each other, or maybe you are not showing any emotions towards him now. And if you are a male, maybe you are in authoritative position. You are a privileged one in this relationship, and that is why this person is in the feeling of despair, and thinking that he or she also wants to be on a good post, and he or she also wants to be on authoritative position. Then only his or community will allow you to be together, you guys to be together. Now let me see what other tarot cards are saying about this relationship. Definitely, you want commitment in this relationship. You are having lots of expectation from this person. You want commitment in this relationship. You want marriage, you want courtship, you want kids. See, all these cards represents one thing, that you are expecting a lot in this relationship. You want actually family with this person. See, this is a card of expectation. This is card of expectation. This lady is keeping expectation. Hope you are seeing. Yes, this lady is keeping expectation. You want courtship in this relationship. For few of you, if you guys are not committed, definitely you want courtship with this person, uh, commitment, and then you want marriage. You want kids with that person. That means you are keeping a lot of expectation with this person, and that is why this person was not taking any action towards you. He was in the feeling of despair, because your expectations are very high, and whenever you guys come together, you guys had fight or argument, because he or she was not giving any commitment to you, and you want commitment in this relationship. You want family with this person. You want new beginning in this relationship. You want to take this relationship to a next level, Sagittarius. But this person was not giving anything, and this person was in the feeling of despair, because he or she belongs to a very concise family, very conservative family, and you are maybe on authoritative position. You are a privileged person in this relationship, and that is why this person is not taking any action, not saying anything to you, because this person is having a fear that if his family came to know about this relationship, definitely this will be a problem for you and him, or her as well. that this person is wearing a false mask in this relationship. Maybe this person is hiding his true feelings towards you, and maybe he is scared of expressing his feelings towards you. Or maybe you are now for wearing a false mask, you are now not showing any emotions toward that person because you think that this person doesn't love you, this person is purposely not committing toward to you, and that is why you are now not giving any sort of love and any affection towards that person. Maybe you provided that person lots of gifts in this relationship, and you want equal give and take in this relationship. You are expecting that he or she will give you gifts or will provide you any sort of commitment or express his feelings via gift. uh, Maybe you are very concerned about that person, or you want that person to talk to you, message you, text you, call you, or you too wants to talk to that person, call that person, text that person, and you both have a mutual energy. Maybe you guys are as I've told you earlier that you guys are lovers, and definitely you are mirroring each other, and you having both of you having the same feelings. As I've told you earlier as well that you guys maybe in telepathy connection, you can feel each other's energy. Now let's see what other Indian Sacred Tarot cards are saying about you. Guys, I'm making lots of efforts in creating videos, and these tarot cards are really expensive. I'm buying these cards to provide you very appropriate reading, so that uh, you will not remain in a false imprisonment or in false emotions about that person. That is why I'm telling you, because lots of cards. If I'm reading lots of cards for your reading, definitely you will get a clear idea that what he or she wants in this relationship. So definitely I want something from you as well. I want you to please subscribe my channel and support this channel, because we are a family, and definitely if I'm making efforts towards you, I need appreciation from your side, nothing else. So guys, definitely this is a destined connection, and this card temperance represents that you guys are counterpart and you guys are equal halves and world. Maybe you guys met each other on social media or while traveling, or maybe you guys traveled for work. Maybe he traveled for work or you traveled for work, whatever is the reason. In the past, maybe you guys had a breakup, or suddenly you had a tower moment, but now this person is feeling that very love towards you, because this person realized that you are a destined connection, you are a star, and definitely you are, both of you are keeping strength in this relationship, and you are expecting that something good will happen soon in this relationship. So guys, this is your reading, and I hope you like my reading. If you like my reading, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below in the comment section, and share this channel as much as you can, and don't waste my efforts. At least I need some appreciation out of this. So guys, take care, and we'll talk to you in the next, we'll have a conversation with each other in the next video. Thank you.